This information is for educational use only. This is not medical advice. If you drink one tea every morning, make it this one, dandelion root tea. This earthy, slightly bitter root helps your liver flush out toxins and improves bile flow, which breaks down fats and keeps digestion smooth. It's rich in minerals like potassium and magnesium, helping your body stay balanced and hydrated. Just steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, or try it roasted as a caffeine-free coffee alternative. Drink it first thing in the morning, before breakfast, to gently wake up your liver and metabolism. Dandelion root tea, your morning liver reset. For more info, see the full video 3 Herbs Your Liver is Begging For.